Welcome to JH. Recently, a wave of people have been receiving bizarre emails from hell@crypto.com containing verification codes. Because nothing says secure financial future like a random message from the literal underworld, many users are left wondering if these are legit or just another scam. Let's break it down. One major concern is that these emails look incredibly real, featuring the official logo and the perfect layout. However, a closer look reveals they aren't from the actual domain. Scammers are getting clever with lookalike addresses like support-crypto.com or securitycryptocom.net, proving that the pinnacle of human creativity is apparently adding a hyphen to a URL and hoping you're too tired to notice. Another red flag is the classic fear tactic, where the email claims your account has been accessed and demands you log in immediately. It's a trap designed to make you act fast and think later. Once you type in those credentials, boom, your account belongs to them. What's even more unsettling is that these messages are now perfectly written with zero typos or bad grammar. It's nice to see scammers are finally using spell check, though I prefer they use their talents for literally anything else. To make matters worse, even some official crypto.com emails occasionally forget their own anti-phishing codes, which is exactly the kind of consistency we love to see in the high-stakes world of finance. The safest move is simple. If an email feels even slightly off, don't touch a thing. Skip the links and go directly to the official app or website to contact support. If you didn't request a code, just assume it's a phishing attempt and move on with your life. Don't click, don't reply, and definitely don't give them your info. Always stick to official channels to stay secure. Thanks for watching until the end. Stay alert, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to avoid being the main character in a scammer's success story.